Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram login problem incorrect password. So you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and here you can see that you are facing an issue. So click on get help with logging in, and here you can see find your account. So first step you simply need to do is to add your email and find your account. And once you find, you simply need to do is to click on next. And once you click on next, you will receive a code on your email address, and once you receive a code you simply need to add that code onto your account on Instagram, and after that you need to reset your password. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.